A Bone to Pick: The Good and Valuable Science of Putting Compartments in Animals by Mark Bittman is a thought-provoking exploration of the ethical implications of factory farming and the potential benefits of alternative methods. Bittman, a renowned food writer and advocate for sustainable agriculture, delves into the history of animal husbandry, the evolution of modern factory farming practices, and the science behind more humane and environmentally friendly approaches. The book begins by tracing the roots of animal domestication, which began around 10,000 years ago with the cultivation of grains and the keeping of animals for food, clothing, and transportation. Over time, animal husbandry evolved into a system of selective breeding and management practices designed to maximize productivity while minimizing labor inputs. This system, known as scientific agriculture, was developed in the early 20th century and eventually gave rise to modern factory farming. As Bittman explains, factory farming is characterized by intensive confinement, standardized production methods, and the use of antibiotics, hormones, and other growth-promoting drugs. The primary goal of factory farming is to produce meat, dairy products, and eggs at the lowest possible cost, often at the expense of animal welfare and environmental sustainability. The book provides numerous examples of the inhumane treatment of animals in factory farms, including overcrowding, poor living conditions, and routine mutilations such as beak trimming and tail docking. In contrast, Bittman advocates for alternative methods of animal husbandry, including pasture-based systems, free-range production, and organic agriculture. These approaches prioritize animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and public health. For instance, grass-fed beef production can lead to healthier animals, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, and improved soil health. Similarly, free-range egg production allows hens to engage in natural behaviors, reducing stress and the risk of disease. One of the key arguments in A Bone to Pick is that the environmental impact of animal agriculture is vastly underestimated. Bittman cites studies showing that livestock production accounts for a significant portion of global greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. He also discusses the role of animal agriculture in the spread of zoonotic diseases, such as swine flu and mad cow disease, which can have devastating consequences for both human health and the economy. Throughout the book, Bittman provides numerous examples of successful alternative agricultural systems, including small-scale family farms, cooperatives, and innovative business models. He also offers practical advice for consumers looking to reduce their environmental footprint and support more sustainable food production. This includes tips on how to shop for meat, dairy products, and eggs, as well as recipes for preparing delicious meals using these ingredients. One of the most compelling aspects of A Bone to Pick is its accessible and engaging style. Bittman writes with passion and authority, making complex scientific and ethical issues understandable to a wide audience. He also intersperses personal anecdotes and historical vignettes throughout the book, adding depth and humanity to the narrative. In conclusion, A Bone to Pick is an essential read for anyone interested in the ethics of food production, the future of agriculture, and the health of our planet. Mark Bittman expertly navigates the complexities of these issues, offering a compelling case for a more sustainable, humane, and environmentally friendly approach to animal husbandry. By providing practical solutions and inspiring examples, he empowers readers to make a positive impact on the world through their food choices.